Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the power of words and how choosing the right ones can make all the difference. We'll be looking at a sentence and explaining why certain words fit perfectly while others don't. Let's get started. Our fourth sentence is, the hub then suppresses, alerts, collects, stimulates, predetermined contacts and calls for help immediately. The best choice is alerts. Why alerts? We choose alerts because this is the most suitable option, as the hub's function is to notify or warn predetermined contacts in case of an emergency. For example, a medical alert system alerts family members or emergency services when it detects a health issue. Why not the other options? Suppresses, this would mean to stop or hold back, which is not the function of the hub in this context. Example, suppressing a sneeze. Collects, this would mean to gather, which is not relevant to notifying contacts. Example, collecting stamps as a hobby. Stimulates, this would mean to encourage or provoke, which is not appropriate for describing the hub's function. Example, caffeine stimulates the nervous system. And there you have it. By choosing the right words, we can make our sentences clearer and more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language tips and tricks. See you next time. That's